How to create Sweatcoin account. Let's jump right into the steps. First off, you want to go ahead and download Sweatcoin from App Store. After downloading it, open it. Now the account here can be only made through Apple account. If you have Android, then it will be open through Google account. Just tap on sign up with Apple, then enter the password or Face ID or Touch ID. Verify that it's you. As soon as you do that, you will enter this screen where you have to let the app see the total step your phone detects. Tap on allow motion and fitness. Now a pop-up will appear where you want to allow. Then tap on share step data. It will take you to the health axis where you want to enable steps. After you enable it, tap on allow on the top right corner. Read the following message from the app, and then after you're done reading, then you want to tap on yes please or no thanks according to your preference. Now the app will motivate you to start walking. The app will keep all the details of your steps. Then you want to tap on got it. That is in the bottom. And that is how you can create a Sweatcoin account. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.